Hi everyone, hope you're alright. It's me and Matthew, the dream team now, and we've got a day in Wisbeach and we come back to near where I live, Wisbeach St Mary, to get a last few there. And we've got 17 cleans to do today. Was 18, but sadly we've lost a customer because sadly they've passed away. So that unfortunately is something that happens, and it happens quite often in this job as well. It's definitely not something you think about when you first start doing this. But yeah, today's going to be 26 degrees, so it's going to be a hot one. I think it's going to reach that sort of like heat around 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So the cool box is in. Me and Matthew in this sort of weather, I always say to him, take a couple of sips of water before we get out of the van, and we take a couple of sips of water when we get back in the van for each job that we go to. So it's all those little things. You've got to keep yourself hydrated in this weather. Sunglasses will be going on, shorts are on, and all these other little measures you've got to do because it's going to catch you out. It's so easy just to focus on ploughing through the work as fast as possible. But these things do go against you and you've got to keep an eye out for it. Anyway, see how we get on. Just an update, it's 20 past 3 in the afternoon, just got back home. We're going to refill up with water. The tank is pretty much out. I've still got my spare water in the barrels, but we're coming home to fill up. Got 5 cleans left to do. 2 of them are businesses, so I need to make sure they're done before 5. Everything's local except for one, which we're going to head out to do last, and hopefully we'll still get it done. It's probably going to be after 5, I don't know. It's really hot. It's been a hot day, and you've probably seen on the footage I was cleaning one house. It's quite large, 3 stories high, and there's some hard to get to windows above, like a Victorian wooden conservatory as well. So it's a house with a lot of character, but it's an arm buster. And also while I was doing that, another guy walked up to me and asked about cleaning his windows. It's a few houses down, similar size, so I've given him a card. I'm just going to go and tell my wife Teresa that you may get a message. And we've also had someone else walk up to us today as well. I'm not sure if I mentioned that, for a window cleaner as well. So it looks like we've replaced the one we've lost basically really quickly. So it's how it goes sometimes, isn't it? It's that time of year. Said it on my live yesterday, where you're going to get walk-ups and people looking for window cleaners and that sort of thing. So yeah, see how it goes. I'm going to refill up with water to drink myself as well. So see you in a bit. Right, that's it, back home. It's, I can't see the time, 10 to 6, and we're back home all done. And we ended up getting 19 cleans done today. And we've got 2 possible customers that are going to get back in touch for my business cards. Speaking to my wife Teresa as well, she's already done or organised 3 quotes that she's got to go and do as well. We're pretty much ram pat, so we've got to be a bit choosy on taking any customers on without it having an effect with the customers we've already got. And also I've got a big splinter in my finger. It's come off my section that needs replacing on my pole. I'm just waiting for the bits through the post to get here, and it's about 2 centimeters long, and I felt it actually snap in half whilst it was still in my finger. So I've pulled half out, so tonight no doubt I'm going to try and have to dig the other half out, I think. Otherwise I'm probably have to get it looked at, because I can imagine my body fighting it and it all going manky. Anyway, that's me done. Sorry I didn't get any more footage after the next getting back. I was just trying to get through the day. It's definitely been a warm one, 26 degrees. Don't know how hot it's been where you are. It's definitely going to be a warm week. And then you got the problem of trying to sleep at night because your house is boiling hot. But that's summer for you. Anyway, thanks for watching. YouTube, stick another video up for you to watch. And I'll see you on the next one. Stay safe.